Good morning, class. Today's topic is decoding Chinese characters from the ancient oracle scripts. Please note that this class does not require for any prior knowledge about Chinese characters or the Chinese language. First of all, let's review about the history. The oracle bone scripts is one of the earliest forms of the Chinese writing dated back to the Shang Dynasty, which is approximately 3,000 years ago. Many of the characters in oracle bone scripts are ancestors of the contemporary Chinese characters. Throughout, they have undergone significant simplifications and stylizations over the millennia. For example, on the fourth line, the characters of Shan somewhere resembled of the mountain. It often started with a drawing of the things that they representing of their scripts. Let's see one of the actual example on the left to representing its complexity and structures. While some of the oracle bone scripts characters are straightforward pictogram, others are more complex and involve combination of pictorial elements. The script inhabits a mix of simple and complex characters reflecting of the gradual development of a more sophisticated writing systems, which is very different from the last displayed. Many of you must start to wondering how those scripts has been discovered and who discovering them. The oracle bones was first discovered in 1899, and a total of more than 154,600 pieces of the oracle bones has been unearthed. Many of the famous scholars, including Zheng Yulu, has conducted fruitful examinations and research of the oracle bones and formed the specialization discipline of the oracle bone science. Those four on the left are being so-called as the Oracle Bone Research Master in China. Under their work and leaderships, a total of more than 4,500 individual characters has been found on the Oracle Bones, and about 2,000 of the characters has been interpreted so far. For the fun fact, the Chinese Characters Museum has called for Oracle Bones interpreted results. If you can find a new one other than the 2001 has already been found, each one will be rewarded for 100,000 yuan, which is equal to $20,000 in Canadian dollars. Some may find there's very similarity between the Chinese oracle bones encryption and the Egyptians hieroglyphics. However, the purpose is very different between those two. While the Chinese oracle bones encryptions were primarily used to crave questions about the futures and seeking for guidance from the ancestors, the Egyptians hieroglyphics served a multi-phased purpose. For example, to recording for the religion's texts, administrative documents, and so on. The other main difference between them is on the material. The oracle bones encryptions were typically carved onto the turtle shell or the ox bones, while the hieroglyphics were typically inscribed on the various surfaces, including but not limited to the temple walls or the tombs, and then later on they invented the papyrus. So let's see how's our learning process. Let's do a quick quiz. Quiz 1. The primary purpose of the Chinese oracle bones encryptions are served for the multi-surfaced purpose. Is that true or false? The answer is false. Remember, we just mentioned on the second last page, the primary purpose of the Chinese oracle bones encryption is crave the questions to ask for the futures or the questions for the ancestors to find the directions or the solutions. Now, let's have some fun. What does this Chinese oracle bones inscriptions means to you? 1. Bird, 2. Horse, or 3. Chicken? The answer is number 2, horse. Let's put things a little bit more complicated. What do you think about this one means? First one is dream, second is defense, the third one is sleep. The answer is number 1, dream. I'm sure you have been learned so much about the Chinese oracles encryptions and have so much questions and thoughts about those. Let's put them into the homework. We have one quick homework for the next week before the class begin, which is December the 1st, 2023. In exploring of the meaning of the word of dream, which we just had it, Research online to discover the possible reason why we're presenting the concept of dreaming, and write a brief analysis. Just keep it under 200 words, and you may use your own opinion or refer to a scholar. If you do, please remember to citation in the right format. The goal of that is to enhance your understanding of the word development and its significance and why it matters. Woohoo! We made it, new scholars. Thank you so much for joining our classes. I'm sure that you have so much ideas, but also so much questions about that. Please feel free to contact me in any times. Here's my emails, and looking forward to see you again soon on the next week class.